십니까?
Good morning, everyone.
오늘 말씀드릴 내용은 하나님의 혈통과 3대 왕권을 말살한 어머님.
Today I'd like to talk to you about how Mother eliminated God's lineage and the three-generation kingships.
하나님의 재창조 섭리의 핵심은 무엇입니까?
What is the core of God's providence of recreation?
하나님의 혈통의 안착입니다.
That core is to bring settlement to God's lineage on the earth.
재림주가 이 땅에 강림하시는 가장 핵심적인 것이 하나님의 혈통을 이 땅에 착지시켜 하나님의 혈통을 계승하는 것입니다.
The most important aspect of the returning Lord's coming to the earth is to bring God's lineage to the earth so that the lineage can settle on the earth.
에덴 동산에서 해와는 천사장의 혈통을 받아들여 하나님의 수녀를 더럽히고 그 결과물로 가인 아벨 자녀를 낳아 악한 혈통을 번성케 하여 오늘날 타락한 세계를 만들었습니다.
In the Garden of Eden, Eve received the lineage of the archangel. She sullied, she dirtied the pure lineage of God. She gave birth to children as a result of that, and has caused all humanity to be in that archangel's dirty lineage.
이러한 혈통을 바로잡기 위해 수많은 여인들이 혈통 복귀를 위한 탕감의 길을 갔던 것을 알고 있는 바입니다.
And we know that many women have had to go the way of restoration through indemnity in order to restore God's lineage back to this earth.
이는 바로 해와가 더럽힌 혈통을 바로잡기 위해 해와가 하나님을 속이고 아담을 속이고 자식까지 속였던 것을 탕감하기 위한 하늘의 피눈물 나는 탕감의 노정이었던 것입니다.
This was a path of tears for heaven. It was a path of indemnity that had to be traveled by many, many women because Eve deceived God, she deceived her husband, and she deceived her children.
인륜으로서는 도저히 납득할 수 없는 음녀의 길을 갔던 것입니다.
So women had to go this way of illicit love, women of illicit or prostitutes because of the course of the indemnity.
여기에는 대표적 사음녀가 있습니다.
There are four women who are particularly recognized in this respect.
우리아의 아내 바세바와 기생 나합과 다말과 누시입니다.
These are the Bathsheba and the Rahab and Tamar. 마지막은 누구였던가요? 네 번째가 누구였어요?
네 번째는
마지막. Ruth were the four women who are particularly recognized in the Bible in this respect.
대표적 사음녀가 바로 혈통 복귀의 중심에 있었던 것입니다.
These four women were at the center of this course to restore God's lineage.
그러한 기대 위에 예수님이 처음으로 원죄 없는 순혈로 이 땅에 착지하신 것입니다.
And it was on the foundation of the indemnity paid by these four women and others, but especially these four women, that Jesus was able to come to the earth with a blood lineage that was pure.
그래서 예수님은 떡과 포도주를 주시면서 이는 내 살이요 내 피라고 하셨습니다.
And so Jesus gave the bread and the wine to his disciples, saying that this is my flesh and this is my blood.
당신처럼 원죄 없는 하나님의 순회를 이어받기를 간절히 바라신 예수님의 절규였습니다.
This was Jesus' urgent and desperate cry, his desperate desire to have his disciples and others inherit also the pure blood lineage of God.
하지만 원리를 통해 잘 아시는 바와 같이 당신은 당신 자신이 혈통을 나누어 주실 수 있는 기대, 즉 축복을 이루지 못하여 당신의 순회를 타락한 인간에게 전수하지 못하고 십자가에 가시고 말았습니다.
But as we have learned through the divine principle, Jesus was not able to marry. He was not able to have a holy blessing. And that was necessary for him to actually be able to give the physical blood lineage to the fallen people of this earth. And so he was not able to do that before he was killed on the cross.
당신의 궁극적인 목적은 혈통 복귀였지만 결국 유대 민족의 불신으로 그 뜻을 이루지 못하고 재림을 약속하실 수밖에 없었던 것입니다.
Jesus' ultimate purpose on this earth was to restore God's lineage that had been lost in the Garden of Eden. But because of the unfaithfulness of the Jewish people, he was not able to do that, and he had to leave this earth, leaving a promise behind that he would return again someday.
예수님이 재림하실 수 있도록 하기 위해 2000년 동안 얼마나 많은 탕감의 피를 흘렸습니까?
An incredible amount of indemnity and blood has been shed over the past 2,000 years so that Jesus would be able to return.
그러한 희생의 탕감 위에 참 아버님이 오셨습니다.
And it was on the foundation of this indemnity and sacrifice that true Father was able to come.
온 누리가 환대하고 영접하여 그분을 모시어 받들었더라면은 그분을 통하여 하나님의 자녀로 거듭날 수 있었습니다.
All humanity should have welcomed Father's coming. And if that had happened, then all humanity would have been able to be reborn through him into God's sons and daughters.
그런데 순미된 자들은 다 외면하고 오히려 2000년 전 했던 그 버릇 그대로 외면하고 불신하고 핍박하며 감옥으로 죽음의 길로 내몰았습니다.
But what happened, though, was similar to what happened 2,000 years ago. The people who had been prepared by God to receive Father did not receive him, rejected him. And he had to finally go the way of suffering through prison.
사탄은 하나님 다음으로 원리를 잘 아는 존재이기 때문에 전 인류를 내어주더라도 메시아 한 분을 살해하는 것을 목표로 역사했습니다.
Satan knows the divine principle better than anyone other than God. And so because he knows that, he was willing even to forfeit all of humanity if only he could kill the Messiah.
그 핵심은 하나님의 혈통을 품은 메시아를 살해하는 것이고 하나님의 혈통을 말살하는 것이었습니다.
Satan's ultimate goal was to eliminate God's lineage from this earth. And so in order to do that, he wanted most of all to kill the Messiah.
그래서 에덴 동산에서 했던 그 모습 그대로 천정궁에서 음모를 꾸몄던 것입니다.
And so, just as he did 2,000 years ago, Satan entered into the Cheonjeonggung Palace in Cheongpyeong and conspired there to kill the Messiah.
하늘을 속이고 아담을 속이고 아들을 속이는 6,000년 전 해와의 그 행위 그대로를 재현하고 있는 것입니다.
And so he made it so that the same thing would happen in Chonjonggung as happened in the Garden of Eden, where the husband would be deceived, God would be deceived, the husband would be deceived, and the sons would be deceived.
하나님도 속이고 아버님도 속이고 대신자 상속자인 아들도 속이고 정오 정착을 통해 하나님이 수직으로 임하셔야 할 그 신성한 궁전에서 사탄이 수직으로 역사할 수 있는 조건을 제시하고 말았던 것입니다.
So he arranged so that God would be deceived in the Chonjonggung palace, the husband, father, true father, as the husband would be deceived, and that even the son, who was father's representative body and inheritor, would be deceived. And in the Chonjonggung palace was a place more than any other where there should be a noontime sun, where there should be no shadow, but Satan, however, made it so that this kind of deception would take place there.
천정궁이 어떤 곳입니까? 아버님, 형제님, 신주님 이렇게 3대 왕권을 수립하여 다 이루었다고 선포한 곳입니다.
Think of what the Chonjonggung Palace is. This was where True Father and Hyungjin-nim and Shinjun were living. Three generations of kings were living there in that place.
하나님의 창조 이상은 사위 기대를 이루어 영원히 안식하실 곳입니다.
And it was in Chonjong Palace that the father said that everything had been accomplished. This was the place where the four-position foundation would be established.
그런데 이제 천정궁에는 1대 왕도, 2대 왕도, 3대 왕도 그 어느 왕도 안 계십니다.
But now, today in the Chonjong Palace, the first generation king is not there, the second generation king is not there, the third generation king is not there. There is no king in the Chonjong Palace today.
오직 정다도 없는 여인이 왕관을 쓰고 무정자의 성주로 구원을 하겠다고 합니다.
There is only a woman there sitting, wearing a crown. She is a woman without a seed, but she is saying that even without a seed, she will save all of humanity.
아버님의 상속자 대신자이신 형제님과 신주님을 쫓아내어 3대 왕권을 파괴하고 왕권을 찬탈하여 하나님 흉내를 내고 있습니다.
She kicked out the second king, the third king. She kicked out the three-generation kingships. She usurped the kingship for herself and is now pretending to be God.
더 나아가 아버님의 유업을 폐기하고 그 흔적을 지우기에 안간 힘을 쓰고 있습니다.
Not only that, but she is doing everything she can to destroy Father's legacy and work.
천일국 헌법을 고쳐 아버님의 후계자는 아버님의 혈통이 아니더라도 법통으로 이어져 가겠다고 합니다.
She has changed Father's constitution, saying that it is not necessary for the successor to be in Father's lineage, that this will be a rule by law rather than a rule by blood lineage.
선거로 아버님의 후계자를 선택하겠답니다.
She says that the Father's successor will be chosen by election.
아예 이젠 아버님의 혈통까지 부정해 버렸습니다.
She has even now denied Father's lineage.
아버님은 타락한 혈통으로 태어났고 원죄 없는 순혈이신 독생녀 어머님과 성혼을 했기 때문에 축복을 하실 수 있었다고 궤변을 늘어 놓으십니다.
She is saying ridiculous things, such as that Father was born with original sin, And it was only because he was married with a mother who had no original sin that he was able to begin performing the blessings.
6,000년 전 에덴 동산에서 아담 해와를 낳았듯이 복지 섭리도 바로 원죄 없는 독생녀로 온 당신이 이 땅에 오셔서 하나님의 자녀를 낳으셔야 한답니다.
She says that just as God created Adam and also Eve in the Garden of Eden, so she also had to be created as the only begotten daughter, so that sinless children could be born.
2000년 전 예수님의 어머니 마리아가 하나님의 아들 예수님을 낳았듯이 당신이 곧 아버님을 낳은 것과 같이 아버님을 메시아로 완전케 했다고 합니다.
She says that just as Mary gave birth to a sinless son, Jesus, so also it was because she had no original sin that she was able to give birth to Father as the Messiah.
이제는 당신이 독생녀 메시아로서 섭리의 중심에 서서 아버님의 전통과 혈통을 막살하고 있습니다.
She says that as the only begotten daughter, she now stands in the center of the providence, and she is eliminating God's lineage and tradition.
오늘날까지 천주교에서는 마리아가 곧 하나님이 실체를 쓰고 이 땅에 오셔서 하나님의 독생자 예수님을 낳으셨다는 그 믿음 그대로를 재현하고 있습니다.
She is doing something that the Catholic Church has been doing, and that is the Catholic Church has been saying that Mary was on this earth as God's substantial being, and so she gave birth to the Son of God, and so she is going exactly that same path as the Catholic Church.
그래서 여태껏 천주교에서는 성모 마리아라고 하며 그녀가 곧 육신을 쓰고 이 땅에 오셨던 하나님이라고 신앙하고 있지 않습니까?
We see that Catholic Church refers to Mary as the Holy Mother Mary, and considers her to be God's substantial body on the earth.
그들이 바로 법통을 세워 교황을 선거로 선출해서 대를 이어가고 있습니다.
And also the Catholic Church determines the Pope by election in the same way that is a rule of law, not a rule of lineage.
법통을 세워 섭리를 이어가려면 천주교로도 충분합니다.
So that Family Federation is becoming just like that, an organization that will continue on not by lineage but by law.
재림주님이 다시 오셔서 혈통을 세우실 필요가 없습니다. 혈통을 통한 3대 왕권을 세우실 필요가 없는 것입니다.
They say that there is no need for the Messiah to come and establish God's lineage on earth, that it is only the law that will govern.
이젠 정자도 없는 따님들을 내세워 참자녀를 세워 섭리한다는 흉내를 내고 있습니다.
She is putting forward her daughters who also have no seed and is pretending to carry on the providence.
무지하고 불쌍한 식구들은 정자 없는 성주를 마시고 하나님의 자녀로 거듭났다고 착각하고 있습니다.
Unfortunately, ignorant, innocent members are receiving the holy wine, which is devoid of any seed, and are fooled into thinking that they have been given rebirth through that holy wine.
가정맹세를 파괴해놓고 가정맹세를 외우고 있는 철저히 외식하는 신앙자들로 만들어 버렸습니다.
She has turned members into false believers who recite the destroyed family pledge, but they think that they are believing, but they are not.
3대 왕권이 없는 천정국은 더 이상 하나님의 궁전이 아닙니다.
Cheonjeongung Palace, in the absence of the three generation kingships, is no longer the palace of God.
3대 왕이 계신 곳이 바로 진정한 궁전입니다.
The true palace is the place where the three generations kings are present.
3대 왕이 어디 계십니까?
So where are the three generations of kings?
생추리입니다.
They are in the sanctuary church.
이젠 천일궁에 입궁하셨습니다.
And now they have entered into the Cheonjeongung Palace.
천일궁을 통하여 천정궁을 되찾으셨습니다.
Through the Cheonjeongung Palace, they have restored the Cheonjeongung Palace.
일찍이 형제님은 선포하셨습니다. 생추리는 하나님의 왕궁이라고, 하나님의 정자가 있고 하나님의 혈통이 있고 아버님의 성령이 함께하는 곳이라고요.
Hyungjinim declared at an early stage that the sanctuary church is where you find God's seed, God's lineage, and that is where you find God's kingship.
그리고 복귀된 가인 아벨도 있는
It
곳입니다.
is also the place where you find the restored Cain and Abel.
복귀된 가인 국진님이 형제님께 경배드렸습니다.
Restored Cain, Kukjinim, bowed down before his brother Hyungjinim as the Abel.
복귀된 혈통의 자랑스러운 모습이었습니다.
This was a wonderful sight to see this restoration.
그리고 아버님의 성령이 3대 왕권과 함께함을 확실히 보여주었습니다.
This was also a clear demonstration to us that God's Father's Holy Spirit is with the three generation kings.
그리고 트럼프를 대통령으로 만들었습니다.
Also, they made Trump to become the president of the United States.
아버님의 성령이 3대 왕권을 통해 이 세상 죄악 세계를 심판하기 시작하였습니다.
True Father's Holy Spirit has now begun to give judgment to this world.
6,000년 차디찬 서러움의 눈물을 흘리시던 하나님이 뜨거운 기쁨의 눈물을 흘리십니다.
God has been shedding tears of sorrow for 6,000 years, but today He is shedding tears of joy.
천정궁에서 내쫓겼던 아버님이 천일궁에 입궁하여 안착하셨습니다.
Even though True Father was kicked out of the Cheonjeongung Palace, He has now entered into the Cheonilgung Palace.
그 뜨거운 눈물이 보이십니까?
Can you see God's tears of joy?
심정의 우저갱에서 신음의 눈물을 흘리시던 하나님이 덩실덩실 춤추시며 싱글벙글 웃으시며 감사의 눈물을 흘리십니다.
God for so long his heart was broken and he was shedding tears of terrible sorrow, but now he is dancing with joy and he is shedding tears only of joy.
우리도 같이 3대 왕권을 중심축으로 세워 감사의 눈물을 흘려야 하지 않겠습니까?
So shouldn't we also establish the three generation kingships as the axis in our lives, the center of our lives, and also join God in shedding tears of joy and tears of gratitude?
3대 왕권 억만세, 3대 왕권 억만세. 아버님의 성령이 함께하는 3대 왕권 억만세. 3대 왕권은 영원하리라.
Ongmanse to the three generation kingships. Ongmanse to the three generation kingships. Ongmanse to the three generation kingships. And may this kingship last forever and ever.
감사합니다.
Thank you very much.